Introduction. Greetings, my friends. Volkswagen has released a planned update for the Touareg in many markets. This model is the flagship and most expensive, offering luxury and comfort. The German manufacturer has paid great attention to the exterior, refreshing the design and adding a touch of ruggedness with new bumpers and body kits. Special attention has been given to the lighting, which now resembles the lighting of the ID family of electric car. It includes 19,200 micro-LEDs and can adjust the intensity, density, and illumination of specific sections of the road. The Touareg also offers new options for body colors and wheel. In the base configuration, a roof load sensor is included, which works with the suspension to compensate for any lean caused by excess weight. Interior. The interior has undergone some minor changes, although these changes have had no significant impact on the overall ambience of the interior. The 12-inch diagonal digital instrument cluster and the 15-inch diagonal touchscreen are still present, maintaining this combination across all trim levels. Furthermore, Volkswagen has upgraded the infotainment system, incorporating 45U USB-C charging ports and a premium 370 Dynaudio sound system. Engine and pricing. The upgraded Touareg offers 5 powertrain options. It all starts with a 3-liter turbocharged V6 gasoline engine delivering 340 horsepower. This is a solid base option that provides a wide range of sensation. For diesel enthusiasts, Volkswagen offers a 3-liter V6 turbocharged diesel engine with 2 stages of boosting. The entry-level version produces 231 horsepower, while the more powerful version generates 286 horsepower. There are also 2 hybrid versions available, combining a 3-liter V6 gasoline engine with an electric motor. In the base configuration, the hybrid system produces 381 horsepower. The more powerful version is installed on the flagship Touareg R model, delivering a power output of 462 horsepower. The base version of the Touareg is priced at €69,200, while the top-of-the-line Touareg R hybrid variant costs €93,070.